Welcome to my channel. This is KBworthsaving 101 and I'm KB, Kim Baker. Today is Thrift Haul Thursday. So, I'm always excited about Thrift Haul Thursday. If this is your first time visiting my channel, then welcome. I am a lifetime thrifter and I'm a reseller on the Poshmark app. I am also sending lots of boxes into Thredup. So if you're interested in that kind of content, then think about hitting that like and subscribe button down below because it does really help me out. All right, so this time I went to 2 different Goodwills, but I only have 20 items. I'm getting better, guys, I promise. I've got it divided up between what I'm going to stick in my Poshmark closet and what I'm going to send into Thredup. So let's dive in to the goodies, shall we? All right. So there's things that I just can't resist just because I don't know. So I don't even think this has a brand. It doesn't have a size, but it is this like chenille eyelash, huge high-low, draped cowl neck sweater, and it's in a nice large size. It's super soft, and so yeah, I picked it up. It's something different. It's something unique. I like that kind of crud in my closet, so I'll probably have it listed for maybe, I don't know, 31 or 29 in my closet. All right, only one more item from my Poshmark closet. I couldn't resist. Everybody says that it sells good. We'll see how it goes, guys. So I found a Harley Davidson shirt. Not only that, but it has the trendy puff sleeves with this gathered detailing, and it is a long sleeve. So I figure, yeah, let's give this a shot. I have no idea. I haven't done the research on this. So it is a size large, and I will be listing it in my Poshmark closet. So I don't know. If you have suggestions on how much, I've never put a Harley Davidson t-shirt in. So first time for everything. All right, now on to my Thredup haul, part of my good old video. Let's see. I have an Ellen Tracy, size medium, and Thredup values her very good. It's just a stretchy, like, boat neck collar, long sleeve, and it just is got this gathered peplum down below. Super cute, really soft. Are you made of anything special? I don't think it is, but let's see, just in case. I don't think she is. Nope, it's 100% polyester, but they like her. All right. Oh, and don't forget, I always save my best items for last, and I got a good one. I paid full price for it. This is a Banana Republic medium, a heritage collection. They value it pretty high. It's just a long sleeve, little button down collared shirt. So sending that in. All right, now this one, it's JW. And I really couldn't find just a JW listing on Thredup, but I am going to send it in there. And the reason that I'm going to is because it is 85% silk and 15% cashmere. So because it is a higher end blend of, and they do have a JM, but I just don't know which one it would be under. And it's got the little bell sleeves, and it's a beautiful, it's like in a maroon. It's showing up a little bit more red. It's more of like a maroon, a deep maroon. So yeah, this little crisscross top, and what size? Small. So I'm going to send that in, see how it does. Okay, Andrew Mark. Oh, they like him. So Andrew Mark, size 8, and they're just a pair of dress pants. Button zip up front, pockets in the front. They are skinny. They do have a nice stretch to them. Of course, back pockets. And it's in this, can you see the striping on that? I don't know if it's picking it up. It's not. It's got like this little tiny, like a really super skinny pinstripe. You can barely see. But it's in a navy and gray. All right. And now for Max Studio. This is a dress. It is a size, what size are you? Medium. Size medium. Long sleeve sweater dress with the V-neck in this little fun print, so, or pattern because it's sewn. Print is where it's on top of, and this is where it's actually part of. So yeah, I'm going to send that on in. All right, I don't know. Maybe she's not going to do very well because I don't know how popular her husband is, but you know, a Trump. They have her items like really high valued on Thredup, so I'll give it a shot. I don't think she's made of anything special. It is an extra small. I do like the floral print to it, and she does have a little metal detailing down at the bottom, but yeah, and I don't believe it's made of anything special. And I couldn't find a tag. So on to the next one. Let's see, White House Black Market. I love picking that up. That goes really good in their goodie bags. Oh, instant payout, extra, awesome, awesome. This one's an extra small, and if it was larger, I'd probably keep it. It is really super cute. This crisscross front with this peplum down below, sleeveless. So yes, I'm going to send that in. Now the last one, I only got $9 for, but you know what? I'm going to be okay with that. You know, $9, it's sold instantly. It went into a goodie bag and not over $9 payout. And I didn't have to list it or nothing. You know what? I'm like, take the money and run. All right. Next, this one's really pretty. I do love it. This one is, of course, an Ann Taylor Loft. One of my other favorites to pick up for them. Size 12. And it is this beautiful, and it's silk. And can you even see it with this crisscross? Sometimes these things just don't look really nice. And it has a little tie front, but this beautiful detailing down here is just gorgeous. Like I said, it's 100% silk. So it's going in there. All right. Another Ann Taylor. And it is a loft. It is a size small. Did I tell you what the other size was? Did I tell you what the size was on the last one? What was the size? A 12. A size 12. That's a good size. Okay, this one's a small. It is so super soft. What are you made of? Hold on. I have to see. It's a sweater. Oh, and it feels wonderful, but you know, could be absolutely nothing. Nope. 60% acrylic and 40% nylon. So it's absolutely nothing, but it does feel wonderful. And it is just a cream. And ugh, you know, I need to start next time. I promise. Maybe I'll get hangers and hang the things up, and so you can see them a little bit better. You know, a large fold down collar neck, and it's just in this really pretty cream. So onward it goes. All right, Torrid, size 10. This is a really cute blazer. I'll throw it on. I can try this one on for you all. I think. There we go. Me and my broad shoulders. Oh. Okay, so it's like a little 3/4 sleeve. Yeah, see, I'm like a football player, guys. I kid you not. That's why I don't wear stuff with sleeves. But it's cute. And it doesn't have, it's just like this seamless kind of, and you can even button it up higher. So there you go. In this green. So yes, sending this in. They love Torrid. Does good. Just sold a pair of pants. I got $34 payout for that. Didn't have to do nothing. So size 10. God, see, my shoulders are huge. Okay. All right, on to another White House Black Market, size medium. And I don't believe it has any special threads within it, but it's this cute little sweater, long sleeve. So setting that on in. And this is White House Black Market, size 12. I believe this one, what are you, 100% silk? No, 35% silk. 35% silk, but it still has silk. Let's see. Let's see, where's the tag? The tag's back there. So how do you go? There we go. So it's just this really cute print in a like a white and black, no cream, it's white and black with a slit in the back. So send that in. Almost done already, guys. I'm telling you, it's a small haul. All right, this one is a Chico's. Yay, I finally found a Chico's. I swear, once you start looking for things, you can't find them. So, yeah, I've been searching and searching because Chico's has done very well for me there, and I haven't been able to find them lately. So this is, oh no, no, it has to have a size. Oh, 2. Thank you, dear Lord. 100% silk, 100% silk. And it's just a little button down, collared, long sleeve. Well, I think it's a 3/4 sleeve blouse. So I had another one that was not silk. I got a $30 payout for that. It was just a plain old button down, long sleeve. So hey, this one is Ann Taylor, size 4. And this one is really cute. I do think it's adorable. Actually, God, I might actually try it on because I do love the color to it too. Ooh, I don't know. Look at all my boxes for my Thredup, guys. I'm telling you. You know what? I might actually try this one on. But who knows? Maybe it'll go in the box. Maybe it won't. Depends on how it fits. All right. My best item. Are you guys ready? Because I am like over the moon. Now, I did pay full price for this one. So this one was not a $1 day item. But I found St. John Evening by Mary Gray. Okay. And it is a size 12. So St. John is like, woohoo, score. And I've got to tell you, it is this gorgeous, it's a zip up cardigan, and it has all of this mirror beading detailing. I mean, it is gorgeous. It's to die for. I am so excited about this piece, guys. Let's see, what did I pay for you? I paid $6. So, but because St. John is a luxe item, guess what? There is like as if I just made $10 and don't have to worry about it. They accept it and it sells. That is a total bonus. If they don't accept it, I still get to send in a Lex box, and that means I get my items that are rejected shipped back for free. So I consider this a major score. Anyway, that's the entire haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you come back and see me. And until next time.